Hello guys, so in this video I'll be discussing about the CAT DILR weekly study plan. I've already provided you 3 weeks plan and I believe that you must have gone through the same, right? So in week 4 we'll be taking yet another very important topic, and that is games and tournament. This is very important, and people talk a lot about this particular topic. The reason being is that this is very tantalizing, right? You would like to solve some riddle or some puzzle which is based on some games or tournaments, right? Now again, the time required is I've kept it same, somewhere around 20 to 25. You can increase the same because there are different varieties of question which appear from games and tournament, right? Number of sets should be at least 12 to 15, although the number of sets which I have provided is far greater than what I am suggesting right now. So what you have to do is that you have to solve 12 to 15 sets only, and you can just keep the rest of the sets for the second round. Whenever you want to practice the games and tournament, you can come back to those sets which you have not taken, right? Now, I'm not giving the difficulty level here because mostly the games and tournament based sets are moderate to difficult. They will be tilted towards the higher difficulty level, right? So you will rarely find something which is very easy from games and tournament. Yes, for theory purpose, for understanding purpose, of course, in the live session we'll be taking some basics games and tournament sets, but in actual exams or maybe in mocks you'll be getting sets which will be difficult, so you have to train yourself for the same, right? Now there are different types of games and tournament sets available, right? I have just noted down some of the prominent among them. So you'll be finding some games which are based on seeding, right? That is the ranking of the players in a certain games. Then there'll be some tournament which are based on knockouts, some tournament which are based on round robin, or some tournament which is combination of both knockout and round robin also, right? For example, say IPL. IPL is a tournament which is a combination of knockout and round robin. The first stage is round robin, wherein each team plays with each other teams twice in IPL, and then once the top four or top three teams they move to the next stage. In that stage the matches are knockout kind, right? And certain kind of games and tournament questions are there wherein we have to focus more on the prime point distribution. Now these particular thing you must already be having some first hand experience in the multi-dimensional arrangement, which I think I talked about week 2, right? So some type of question or similar kind of question you'll be finding in games and tournament, but major part will be the distribution of the points, right? And the other variety is coin picking. And please remember that these are not the only types of sets which comes under games and tournament. It could be some other which I have not discussed here, but if you have gone through these particular sets, then definitely you'll be in a position to handle those sets, right? Now what should be the key focus area while going through the solution of it, right? The very first thing which you have to focus is the application of concepts and end results. In all these types of sets from games and tournament, we have developed certain concept to be used and certain end results which gives us quick answers. These end results are either in the form of formula or in the form of approach, right? So that's why I have written it end result, not just the formula, right? So you have to remember them so that if a similar kind of set appears next time, you know how to use the end results. Now, the next very important thing is the understanding of the definition and terms. For example, some of you might not be understanding what round robin means, so you have to understand that so that you'll be at ease in reading the sets, right? And of course, since there are different types of games and tournament sets, hence there are different structure in which the data is stored. So in each type, you'll be finding the structure to be different, and that too need to be focused. So these are the things which you have to focus in week number 4. And let me also help you that where you can find. So once you log in into the portal, you'll be finding this particular folder, right? CAT DLR course comprehensive. Those who have only joined CAT DLR, they'll be finding this folder, and those who have joined the full length this course will be finding this folder, right? So you can go into any of the folder, and you have to go into the 5th folder, that is logical reasoning practice sets with video explanation. If you go inside this, then you'll be finding them at number, let me tell you that yes, you'll be finding at number 3. This is games and tournament. So I've given you 23 sets, you have to solve 15 of them. You can pick any 15 of them, right? Because as I said, there is no easy games and tournament, either they will be moderate or difficult, right? And you already must be knowing that these practice are in the form of tests, so you have to write the test. You'll be getting these things in a form of test, and once you are done with the test, then definitely you have to submit it. And while after submitting, you'll be taken to the solution part. Now you have to click this solution button, and this button of explanation will give you the video explanation. Now this is single video which covers the solution for all the question based on this particular set.